Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. Today's episode is about a city I love. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will use short sentences. I love cities. I love the sound of a city. I love the lights of a city. I love the people in a city. Today I will tell you about a city that I love. I will tell you why I love this city. I will give many examples of simple sentences. You can listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat the sentences. This is a practice for speaking and listening. The city I love is New York City. New York City is big. New York City is loud. New York City is busy. New York City is exciting. New York City has tall buildings. New York City has parks. New York City has museums. New York City has many restaurants. New York City has many shops. New York City has many people. New York City has many languages. New York City has many cultures. I like the energy of the city. I like to walk in the city. I like to ride the subway. I like to see the lights at night. Here are simple sentences about the city. Repeat after me. I love New York City. I like the tall buildings. I like the parks. I like the museums. I like the food. I like the people. I like the music in the city. I like the lights at night. You can pause the video and repeat the sentences now. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. I will give a monologue conversation. Listen and repeat. You can pretend you are in the conversation. You can practice both parts. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence. Example. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in New York City. I love my city. I love the parks. I love the museums. I love the food. What about you? Where are you from? Do you like the city you live in? You can pause the video and repeat this short conversation now. Now I will make a longer example. This is a monologue and a simple conversation at the same time. I will speak as if I meet a friend. I will share my feelings about the city. I will give small pauses. You can repeat after each sentence. You can pause the video and practice. Hello, friend. My name is Ben. I live in New York City. I love the city. The city has tall buildings. The city has many parks. I like to walk in Central Park. I like to visit the museums on the Museum Mile. I like to eat pizza and bagels. I like to drink coffee in a small cafe. I like to take the subway. The subway is fast and cheap. The city has many neighborhoods. Each neighborhood is different. Some neighborhoods are quiet. Some neighborhoods are busy. Some neighborhoods have small shops. Some neighborhoods have great restaurants. I like to explore the city on foot. I like to meet friends in the city. I like to sit on a bench and watch people. People in the city come from many places. The city is a place for many tastes. It is a place for art and music. It is a place for food and books. It is a place for new ideas. You can pause the video and repeat these sentences now. Now I will give more sample sentences. These are simple and useful when you talk about a city. Repeat after me. This city is beautiful. This city is noisy. This city is clean. This city is crowded. This city is safe. This city is old. This city is new. This city is multicultural. This city has good food. This city has beautiful parks. You can pause the video and repeat these sentences now. Now I will give a set of questions and answers. These can help you when you meet new people. Repeat the question. Then repeat the answer. Try to use your city name. You can pause the video and practice each pair. Question 1. Where are you from? Answer 1. I am from Tokyo. Question 2. Where do you live now? Answer 2. I live in New York City. Question 3. Do you like your city? Answer 3. Yes, I like my city. It is friendly. Question 4. What is your favorite place in the city? Answer 4. My favorite place is the park. I like to walk there. Question 5. What food do you like in the city? Answer 5. I like pizza and coffee and street food. You can pause the video and repeat each question and answer now. Now I will teach you some useful words for a city. Repeat each word in a short phrase. You can pause the video and repeat. City. A place with many people. Street. A road in a city. Park. A green place in a city. Museum. A place to see art. Restaurant. A place to eat. Subway. A train under the city. Bridge. A structure that crosses a river. Skyscraper. A very tall building. Market. A place to buy food. Square. An open place in the city. You can pause the video and repeat these words and phrases now. Now I will tell you a short story about a morning in the city. I will use simple sentences. You can repeat after me. You can pause and practice. It is morning. The sun is up. I walk on a busy street. People walk to work. Cars and buses move. I smell fresh bread. A baker opens a shop. I buy a small coffee. I sit in a small park. I watch children play. I see a man with a guitar. He plays a soft song. A woman reads a book on a bench. A dog runs by. I smile. I feel happy in the city. You can pause the video and repeat the story now. Now I will give some tips on how to describe a city in simple English. Use short sentences. Use one idea per sentence. Use easy words. Give an example when you can. Use these steps when you speak. Step 1. Say the city name. Example. I live in New York City. Step 2. Say one thing you like. Example. I like the parks. Step 3. Say one thing you do. Example. I walk in the parks. Step 4. Say one food you like. Example. I eat pizza. Step 5. Ask a question. Example. What about you? You can pause the video and repeat these steps and examples now. Now I will show a sample presentation. You can use this to speak about your city. Try to change the words to match your city. Repeat each sentence after me. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in New York City. I love my city. My city is full of life. There are tall buildings and wide streets. There are many shops and many cafes. The parks are green and calm. The museums are full of art. The food is very good. I like to try new food. I like to meet new people. I like to walk and take pictures. I like to listen to street music. I feel happy in the city. What about you? Tell me about a city you love. You can pause the video and repeat this presentation now. Now I will give a practice routine. Use this routine every day. You can use it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. This routine will help your speaking. Step 1. Read simple sentences about a city. Read slowly. Read with your voice. Step 2. Repeat the sentences. Repeat 2 times. Step 3. Record your voice. Then listen. Step 4. Learn 5 new words from the list. Repeat them. Step 5. Speak for 1 minute about your city. Use simple words. You can pause the video and start the practice now. Now I will give a set of short exercises. Each exercise is 1 sentence. Try to answer the question with 1 sentence. Use simple words. Pause the video and answer each question. Exercise 1. What is the name of the city you love? Exercise 2. What is one place you like there? Exercise 3. What food do you like in that city? Exercise 4. How do you travel in the city? Exercise 5. Who do you go with in the city? You can pause the video and answer the exercises now. Now I will give more sample sentences to build your confidence. Repeat each sentence. Try to speak slowly and clearly. You can pause the video and repeat. I visit the city on weekends. I love to take photos in the city. I like to meet friends in a cafe. I enjoy walking by the river. I like the view from the bridge. I visit the museum on a rainy day. I try new food at a market. I take the subway to go to work. I walk home in the evening. I like the lights on the street at night. You can pause the video and repeat these sentences now. Now I will speak about feelings. Feeling words are simple and useful. Repeat each short sentence. I feel happy in the city. I feel excited when I see a show. I feel calm in the park. I feel curious in a museum. I feel hungry when I smell food. I feel tired after a long walk. You can pause the video and repeat these sentences now. Now I will give an idea for a short test. You can do this test alone or with a friend. This test will help your speaking. Task 1: Speak for 1 minute about your city. Use simple words. Start with your name. Say where you are from. Say one place you like. Say one food you like. End with a question for your listener. Task 2: Listen to your recording. Count how many new words you used. Try to use more new words next time. You can pause the video and try the test now. Now I will share a small cultural note. Cities often have festivals. Cities often have markets. Cities often have many kinds of food. Cities often have music on the street. Cities are homes for many people. When you describe a city, you can talk about food and festivals and music. These are easy and fun topics. You can pause the video and think of a festival in your city. Now I will give a final set of useful phrases. Repeat each phrase. Use them in a conversation about a city. I love the city because it is full of life. I like the city for its food and music. My favorite place is the old market. I recommend a visit to the river walk. I enjoy the small cafes in my neighborhood. I like to learn about the history of the city. You can pause the video and repeat these phrases now. Now I will finish with a short review. I will say the main ideas again. You can repeat after me. Say the channel name. English Time with Ben. Say my name. My name is Ben. Say the topic. Today's episode is about a city I love. Say the city name. I love New York City. Say one reason. I love the parks and the food. Ask a question to the listener. What city do you love? You can pause the video and repeat the review now. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.